What up guys, it's Nicole and today I've done this look using the Modern Renaissance palette. Now I feel like these two eyes look a bit different. I think it's just the way I've done the white eyeliner, so please excuse that. And the fact that I've never done lashes before, so I'm trying to get the hang of that, which could also be changing the way that my eyes look, because one feels a little bit more smaller than the other. But yeah, apart from that, if you want to see this look and how I got it, just keep on watching. Gonna prime my face with the designer brand's moisturizing primer, just this little bottle. Just really working that into my skin, especially in my T-zone areas, just to make sure that my foundation sticks. And up here I'm a little bit dry as well. I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade in soft brown. Just gonna warm that up in the back of my hands, just so it's easier to guide through my eyebrows. Yikes. Okay, they've really not been my best friend today, my eyebrows. So I'm just gonna get my concealer, which today I'm gonna be trying to use my Instant Age Rewind concealer. Now that I've put concealer on my lids, I'm gonna go in with the Modern Renaissance palette with a fluffy brush and go in with Temper first, get a base down. Doesn't have to be perfect, it's just bone color, just to give me something to work with. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with Love Letter. Just gonna try and like blend this out a little bit more. I go with Veterinarian Red and work that more on the outer V and inner corner. Now that would look so much better if I had actual white liquid eyeliner, but I don't, so I'm going in with the NYX Jumbo Pencil Crayon and just rubbing it on the back of my hand to warm it up. And I'm going in with an actual paintbrush, like a very small detailed one, just to get this. Now I'm going to go in with another small brush just to clean up the edges just a little bit. So yeah, please bear with me. It's a long process for me just because of the way I'm doing it, but hopefully it turns out nice. Okay, so now that's done, I'm gonna go off camera and try and do the other eye. Sorry wasn't talking during that whole process, it's just concentrating to get it look nice. Okay, it's taken me a while and I feel like this side never matches up nicely with this side, but I'm liking how it's looking so far, especially this side. Again, it would be so much easier if I had a white eyeliner, like a liquid one, not a pencil. I meant the Jumbo Crayon. But I managed to make it work by using the small detailed paint brushes. Now I'm going to go in and do the rest of my base. So for the rest of my base, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm going to go on with the concealer again, and I'll just use the Shape Tape just because that Age Rewind one that I wanted to use, so it's something different, is actually running out quite a lot, so there's nothing going to be showing up when I use it. You can really see my bags still, they're really bad. I need to tap that in, especially under the eyes because we don't want to crease up. It's making me look really dry. I'm not happy. It's definitely the foundation, I'm sure of it. I think I just need to start using dewy foundations and then matte it down with powder. I think my skin's gotten used to that. I feel like I look weird. I mean, I know the shadow is really bright compared to my face right now, but you know what I mean? Just, it doesn't look like it's sitting right. What are your thoughts? Do you think it looks different, or is it just me? Okay, I'm gonna go in with the butter to warm this face up. Now with blush, I'm going with the NARS blush because that stands out just a little bit better. Really want to focus. I'm getting this face looking nice. So I just went in with the Mary Lou from the Balm. I'm going to go back into the Modern Renaissance palette in Red and Love Letter and just mix it together. Oh my god, that's horrible. What did I just do? Okay, I'm going to fix that up with my sponge. Like around here, it's starting to dry really weirdly. I'm going to use the Bad Girl Bang Mascara today. Did I just do lashes? Oh my god, this feels weird. Okay, I definitely should have cut them. I don't know how you guys deal with this because I'm not used to it. Probably because I don't know what I'm doing. I definitely like how they made the look better. But yeah, still no idea what I'm doing. So that took me a million years to actually do. So there's that. They're probably not sitting right. This eye is, but this eye I always have trouble with. If you have tips on how to put on lashes, 100% comment down below on how you do it, or any tips and tricks for new learners, because that would be amazing. I'm going to go back in with Vermeer and just sit it here. Alrighty guys, so that's the final look. I was gonna add more, but I feel like I'm just gonna ruin this look if I keep adding to it, to be honest with you. So I'm just gonna leave it at that. I hope you like this look. I'll leave the artist down below of who I was inspired by, who was inspired by this look, because I saw her look and it was so beautiful. So yeah, I'll leave her Instagram down below. So if you like this look, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any tips on how to do lashes or anything you want to see next time, and don't forget to subscribe, as that would mean the whole world to me, and I'll see you guys next time.